boys and girls, and welcome to Grennan Guitar. We have a cool song here, Not Over Yet by KSI featuring Tom Grennan. Okay, so we have the capo on the 2nd fret. We have 4 chords, the 4 famous E minor, G, C, and D. Let's go over these 4 chords a little bit quickly here. So, starting with E minor. It's the open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And D, we have open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So we're gonna do this in just 2 separate ways. We have one chorus play and one verse play, and the chord progression will be the same here. We'll just handle chords in 2 different ways. So 2 different strumming patterns, that's basically it. So let's start with the verse, and we have one full round that goes down, down, up, up. Okay, but we need to split this into 2 parts, and it's very easy. Part 1 will be down, down, and part 2 up, up. So illustrating that with an E minor, one round will be like this. Very short and easy there. So it's a bit different rhythm here, but you will get used to it. So down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, like this. So part 1 is the down, down, and part 2 up, up. Starting with the verse and E minor, one full round, and then G, one full, and then you have C. You're gonna play one full plus part 1, and D part 1. So C will be down, down, up, up, plus down, down, and then you shift to D and play down, down. So that C-D transition will be like this. That C-D combo there, you will repeat that for 3 rounds, and that will be the chord progression. So E minor one full, G one full, then C one full plus part 1, then D part 1, and that C-D you repeat for 3 rounds. That will be one chord progression. So to summarize this, E minor, G, C, D, C, D, C, D. That is one round. Okay. So you're gonna play that in that way, and that's the first verse, or that's the verses. Now let's look at the chorus. It will be the same chord progression here, but we will do more when it comes to the strumming. And we will never play one full strumming for any chord here, but I'm gonna show you how to play one full round with E minor, since that is the first chord. So one full round will sound like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, 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 up, down. So it's pretty long. Down, 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 up, down. And the final part will be down, up, down, up. That's the part 2. Down, up, down, up. So if we connect these 2 parts, down, 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 up, down, and then down, up, down, up. Oh, sorry, get stuck there. Let's like that. Okay, so that will give us, with the same chord progression, E minor, part 1, then G, part 2, then C part 1, D part 2, and again C part 1, D part 2, and C part 1, and D part 2. So this CD part again repeats 3 rounds. So to summarize this course, it's E minor part 1, G part 2, then comes C part 1, D part 2, C1, D2, C1, D2. And that pretty much is what you need for this song to make it easy and playable on a guitar. 1 verse play and 1 chorus play. So I hope that helped. A great song to learn. So good luck with KSI and Tom Grennan's Not Over Yet. Play tune.